Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
Hello guys and welcome back to episode 5 of Vlogmas. Now I am heading out. I'm just going to quickly change my outfit and then I'm heading into the city again because we have some things that we need to buy in the city. Today I have just relaxed and worked a little bit, nothing exciting. I also had an appointment with my psychiatrist, but now I'm going out and yeah, let's go.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, 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 la 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 la, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Hello guys, so now we are back eventually from the city. We were just going to buy some things in the city, just a quick trip to the city. But then we stopped by Loewe and then they invited us to an event. So we were there for an hour or two. And then I got a message from my friend who was invited to the Chanel event. And she invited me to come with her to Chanel. So therefore we went also by Chanel. We were just going to go to the city for a short trip and then we ended up with 2 events. I didn't have the right clothing items on me for 2 events, but we went and we had such a fun time. And many of my friends were there, so I had a little bit of time to talk to them and I really enjoyed it. And by the way, the earrings that I'm wearing are from Safira. I will link them below so you can check them out if you want to. And the clothes that I wore on the event was my H&M cardigan and my Kafun bag. And now I'm quite tired because we went out around 4 and now the clock is 10. That was my day. I thought that it was only going to be a chill day at home, but it ended up being a very late and hectic day, but very fun. So we did buy something. I did buy something from Loewe, and also my boyfriend bought something from Chanel Beauty. I also looked at many different things from Loewe, and I also have something that I'm going to pick up later this week. And I also got a phone call from Hermes today. I don't know how I feel about it and what I should do about it. But on Thursday I have a very exciting appointment at Hermes, and it's regarding my wish list. So you could probably tell what it is. And yeah, I'm very shocked about it. I didn't expect it at all, and I feel that sometimes Hermes do it when people least expect it. Now I'm going to edit this video, and tomorrow I don't have any appointments or anything. I will try to film the rest of the advent calendar so I have everything pre-filmed, but other than that I'm just going to do some admin work. I think I need a day where I am just staying home and not doing that much, and I think tomorrow is going to be the perfect day because on Thursday I have my doctor's appointment and I also have my Hermes appointment, which is going to be very exciting. So yeah, I also forgot to show what I got from my boyfriend, because I have an advent calendar from him. In today's advent calendar gift I got this Givenchy Prisme Libre powder. I have just a small sample of it, so now I have the mini one to try if I like it or not. And that was day 5 of Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if there are anything that you would like to see in Vlogmas, let me know in the comments and I will try to make it happen. And thank you so much for watching. If you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye!